Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone! Petal Bliss here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on again, as you know, with another DIY. Because I love sharing the ideas that I come up with you all. Yeah. So I hope you guys are all having a good week so far. I'm doing okay. I had a little up and down, you know, with my breathing and stuff with the hot days. But you know what? I always put a smile on my face and do what I can. You take every day at a time. That's all we can do. And you make the most of it. Don't let whatever element is ailing you keep you down. No. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And I hope you hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you get notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you all. And if you are one of my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You know, I really appreciate you guys. Yes, I do. So, without further ado, let's get into the items that we are using for today's DIY. Alright everyone, here are the items that we're using for DIY number 1, and they will be listed down below in the description box. So you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright everyone, we're going to be starting with this candle holder that I got from Dollar Tree. This top piece comes out, and I'll be using this bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, and I'm just going to wrap the bottom part of this little thing here, just blinging that out. And now we're taking another candle holder, the silver one that we have from the Dollar Tree also, and we are just gonna glue the two of them together. This is a nice, simple, and easy DIY. So I am using some hot glue. You can use any adhesive that you would like to hold your craft together. And here is the finished look. Isn't it so nice? I think it looks nice and elegant all by itself, just taking two pieces of items from the Dollar Tree, putting them together, and you get a lovely candle holder. Yeah, by themselves they're nice but a little simple, and then you put them together and you get something nice and elegant. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And here I'm showing you how it looks without the bling added. If you just like to keep it plain, simple, and elegant, you know, it looks beautiful just like this. Just put the two pieces together and it's a beautiful candle holder. Yes, it is. Absolutely beautiful. Or if you're a bling girl like me and like a little extra bling, add the bling around the strip and it looks very nice. Both ways, it's an elegant piece to add to your home decor. And now for DIY number 2. And these are the items, and as you know, they will be listed down below for you guys to see where I got them from and what they are. So let's get started with DIY number 2. And now we're gonna start with these flowers I got from the Dollar Tree, and this nice paint here I got from my local paint store. And we are going to paint some flowers with this DIY. Yes, if you want to do any kind of your decor and you don't find the flowers in the store, this is a nice option, and you can find the paint color that you want. Just paint your flowers. Yes, buy the flowers in the dollar store and paint them to your desired color. So that's what I'm doing here, and as you can see, I'll be leaving a little bit of the white showing through in each of my flowers. Now we're going to start with this flower here, and I'm just going to take some off and paint them. Now, you know what, I think it's easier just to paint them on the stem still instead of taking them off the stem. So that's what I'm doing here. And now we have these tiny ones here, and these ones I will have to take off because there's 2 on the stem. So to get them all painted, I have to take them off. But it's easy, just take them off and paint them. And now we have this round mirror, again from the Dollar Tree. I'll be taking out the mirror part And I'm going to be painting the frame with some white paint. So now that our flowers are dry, I will be placing these flower bling wrap onto the center of each flower. You can get this bling wrap on Amazon. It's a nice bling wrap. I call it the flower bling wrap because it looks like a little flower. So I'm placing one of them in each of these flowers. And now the frame for our mirror is all dry, which I placed the mirror back inside. And I will just be gluing these flowers going right around the circle. And again, I'm using hot glue. You can use any adhesive that you would like of your choice. And now with the smaller flowers, I'll be placing a bling gem inside. You can get these gems if you're in Canada. You can get them at Dollarama or at Walmart. Walmart has them too, whether you're in Canada or America. Walmart sells these gems. And I'll be placing them going around the bottom of my wine glass. Again, I'm using some hot glue, but you can use any adhesive that you would like for your craft. And now we have our smaller candle holders and our crushed glass with some Mod Podge that we are going to be placing the crushed glass going right around our candle holder right here. And we will be using 2 coats because as you place them on, they will slide. And all you do is wait for it to dry 15 to 20 minutes. And then you can add some more crushed glass. And then you let it sit down and dry for about 40 minutes to an hour. Yeah. Now our candle holders are all dry. Don't they look cute? I'll be using some hot glue to glue them together. Again, like I always say, use your own adhesive. And there we go. So now I'll be placing a bling strip going around the center of our 2 candles. Next, we'll be placing our wine glass into our 2 candle holders. And I'll be using some hot glue. Again, like I always say, please use any adhesive of your choice. And now I'll be placing these roses. But I'm going to cut off the stems. They're a little too long. I'll be placing them going right around the bottom part where our wine glass is. Just using some hot glue and gluing them down. And after I glue them down, I'm going to be taking 1 stem of each rose and joining them together. So there's not much of a big gap going between them. And here's our finished look, everyone. I like how it turned out, and I love the colors of the flowers. I think it's a nice, elegant, and simple and easy wedding centerpiece decor. And it's very cheap. The items I got from the Dollar Tree were only $7. Yes, they were. And then I had my crushed glass. And if you want to factor in the bling wrap, because you can get the bling wrap from the Dollar Tree too. They have them in smaller pieces. So maybe around $8. Yeah. A beautiful, beautiful wedding centerpiece. Or any kind of event that you are having. It will look absolutely lovely on your table. And here it is with a candle inside. Yep, a floating candle. I think it looks very nice. I like it with the candle inside. When I go to an event, I love to see when they have floating candles on the tables. I absolutely love it. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And here's how it looks with the lights out. I think it looks very nice. Everyone, tell me what you think of this elegant looking, but it's cheap, on the low DIY centerpiece. Oh, decor for any event that you're having. Tell me what you think about it. And this lovely candle holder too, which is only what, $2 for the 2 pieces together. $2 if you add the bling, it goes up to $3, and it looks absolutely beautiful and elegant. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing the 2 DIYs that I had to share with you guys today. And give me a like, press that thumbs up. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone.